Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Japit Kami, Baki Kubor, Baman Kasmi.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad K. Sangma, Mentagasngi ke Arpotrik Unailar, Ulalumi ki Chief Executive Member, CEM jeng District Council, Nakabanta ban lum jeng mut, Nakabanta ban wanra jeng kelai ke kernet ban reu jeng keriti sencar keri India. Habakran cikilar patai kubor Konrad K. Sangma, ulai itu bala ai porsi tayawi ki CEM ban ai jeng mut halor kuru kompen kelai ke kernet ban reu, bat ke jeng langkan selong piang hak arp santrik mentau benai.
So basically we had a meeting with the district council CEMs of all the 3 district councils, and the discussion was on the amendment bill and the different suggestions that were given by the parliamentary committee, and based on that the government of India has again asked us to give in our comments and our suggestions on that. So in order to give those comments and suggestions once again, we have called the meeting of all the district councils so that their viewpoints can also be included. So in the whole process, a number of suggestions were given. We have gone through all the details, whether it is to do with the issues of mentioned in the for the unrepresentative tribe in the nomination, whether the number of seats that were mentioned out there, whether the different elections that have to be held at different levels. So all these factors and all these issues were discussed in large detail, and based on that, once again, all the CEMs have been asked to give in their suggestions, recommendations within the next 1 week, and we'll be having a final meeting on the 25th evening to crystallize on the recommendations from our side, and that will be then submitted. Therefore, as I said, almost 95% of the recommendations, suggestions given, including the 10th schedule, application of anti-defection law, including that has been accepted, including the suggestions that we should have the Finance Commission funding. So all the major decisions have been included. So those we are very happy and thankful that they have been included. And there are certain concerns that are there which we are ironing out, and that's the reason why again and again we are doing consultation. And we are hopeful that we will be able to come to a consensus and we'll be able to take this amendment forward.
How many days